All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm going to share with you a foodie haul. Guys, these are stuff from Sam's Club. I went to Sam's Club today. My husband and I went to Sam's Club, and in Sam's Club we spent $168. Yep, $168. No, yeah, $168 because we bought also we spent $15 on the dog chew, the hip and joint thing. So let's get started. We bought 2 of these. My husband and I love this in the morning. With breakfast, we got 2 of these. Two of them. I bought I picked some broccoli. This is the broccoli flores. I like them fresh like this better. They also got them frozen, but I like the fresh ones. We bought a big package of Hillshire Farm Cabassa. This is the 4-pack. We also bought a big 3-pack of bacon. So, you know, these are stuff that are like $12, $11. So it adds up, you know. We got sour cream. The sour cream was less than $5. This is expensive. If you have a dog, I recommend this for your dog, especially if you have a senior dog. That's good for them. And of course, we bought cream. And we bought heavy whipping cream. Okay, that's that. And we bought one of the big powder cream. All right, guys, so let's continue. From Sam's Club, we also got taco muffins. This was $6. No, this was $4.98. Also from Sam's Club, I got a bag of snow crab legs. I got bananas. I got blackberries. Also, I got the cotton candy flavor grapes. And a double lettuce. This is like $3. All right, that was just all from Sam's Club. And then from Price Right, we stopped at Price Right. We bought a loaf of bread for sandwiches. Bought chocolate and yellow cake mix. Two boxes of ices. And a energy mix bag. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's my little grocery haul. See, I said it was gonna be a short video. So guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.